Ready to design your team's hockey jerseys? Let's design it using Entripy Designer Studio. Start by choosing the jersey you want. Once you find the right one, click Start Designing. Now you're in. Choose the location you want to customize and the decoration type. Lock in your color, set your quantity. This is where it gets fun. Go to Images, upload your logo, and place it right onto the jersey. Move things around, resize, add text, shape the design until it feels right. Now flip it to the back. Click Back, then select Print. Hit Add Name and Number, then go into Personalization. Enter the name and number and choose exactly where you want it placed. Adding more players? Click Add Row and keep going. Once everything is set, click Add Personalizations, then fine-tune the details. Font, size, color, make it sharp. Now it's looking like a real team jersey. Save the design anytime using the icon at the top right. And when everything looks perfect, click Add to Cart and check out. Once you submit your order, you will get an artwork approval request within 1 business day. After you approve it, that's the only time we will charge you. What are you waiting for? Order now at Entripy.com.